If you're a student, faculty, or staff at the University of Richmond, you have access to Microsoft Office for free. To get the details and to download, come to spidertechnet.richmond.edu. And once you're here on the home page, come up to the search and type in Microsoft Office. If you pause for a moment, the very first hit that says Microsoft Office, you can click on that and it will take you to a page with all the information you need. Scrolling down a little bit, it reads, Microsoft Office 365 is available to download on up to 5 desktop laptops, tablets, and smartphones. These are personal devices. If you're faculty or staff at the university, you already have Microsoft Office on your computer. This is for you on your personal system. To get started, come down to the link where it says visit office.com and click on that. It will take you through authentication, and then you'll arrive at Microsoft Copilot. What you're looking for is the waffle icon up here that says Apps and More. When you click on that, it gives you a few options, but you want to select More Apps. Clicking on that takes you to a page where you've got the Install Apps button in the upper right-hand corner. If I click that, you'll see Microsoft 365 Apps. Clicking that will begin the download to your computer, and once the download is done, you just run the app installer and you're ready to use Microsoft Office on your computer. This is a great free feature, and it's available to you again if you just visit Spider TechNet and search on Microsoft Office.